Hey everybody, today I am making a smoked jerk beer can chicken. I have the holder for the beer, have my can of beer, marinated the chicken overnight in some jerk spices and other spices. We also got some applewood chips. So you want to take your can of beer, wash the can off really well, pour a little bit of the beer out, sit it in the holder, and then we're going to place the bird on top of the can of beer. Just like that. Come on, get on there. All right now. There you go. And you're going to pour the juice and the foil into the pan. All ready for the grill. All right, so she's on the grill. We are going to add some of those soaked applewood chips to the charcoal. Oops. A little bit of charcoal doesn't never hurt nobody. Then we're going to close it. And she's going to smoke for about 3 hours. And there she is, 3 hours later. I'm going to cut her up. I don't know why I'm calling her a her. But there the bird is cut up. And I did pop it back in the oven for a little while because I wanted it to get a little bit more brown. There's my mac and cheese with those crispy edges, collard greens, candy yams. And there's the finished product. I did make some honey jalapeno cornbread to go with it. And it came out delicious. Yes. Very good dinner today. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Smooches.